What's the total cost of ownership? Are EVs more expensive to run than ICE vehicles?
Okay. One of the things we have to look at is that there's not a standard EV and there's not a standard equivalent internal combustion engine. A Lamborghini is very expensive to maintain and run. My Zoe isn't. So when I take my car for a service, basically they change the pollen filter. That's all that happens. They don't have to service anything. There's no other moving parts. There's no belts. There's nothing to do. So the running costs are a lot less. At the moment, the upfront cost is, and with all vehicles, the more you use them, the less the cost comes down. So at the moment, I'm probably a bad case, 5,000 miles a year, almost no servicing charge because it's not getting worn, but my cost per mile is quite high. So you've got to do the equivalence, but the actual servicing, maintaining, looking after them, much cheaper.